So, you know the feeling. You've got this perfectly designed conference room. Everything is sleek. And then you realize the computer has to be on the other side of the room. You hit the end of that digital leash.
Yeah, it's the classic distance problem.
Yeah.
USB was never really designed to go more than, what, a few meters. It's for your desk.
Exactly. 3, maybe 5 meters if you're lucky. But today we're doing a deep dive on a piece of gear that just, well, it completely snaps that leash.
This should be interesting.
We're looking at the PureLink USB32-E100, and the big headline here is extending high-speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 a full 100 meters.
100 meters. That's about 328 feet, like the length of a football field.
Right. And this isn't just for a mouse or something.
No, and that's the key. We're talking about maintaining the full 5 gigabits per second of bandwidth over that entire distance.
That is the critical part. Because I've seen those cheap extenders, you know?
Oh, yeah?
And they always knock you down to USB 2.0 speeds, which is fine for a printer, but not for a 4K webcam.
You get stuttering video, terrible transfer speeds. The PureLink avoids all that with a transmitter and receiver setup.
A TX and an RX box.
Exactly. And they're linked by just one single standard CAT6A network cable. That 5 gigabit pipe stays wide open.
Which is just brilliant for installers, isn't it? Because you're just using the copper that's probably already in the walls, no special cables.
It really is the perfect bridge between your IT infrastructure and the AV stuff you have in the room.
So you put the transmitter by the computer.
Yep, run your CAT6A out to the receiver, and all of a sudden your local USB ports are 100 meters away.
And I noticed looking at the receiver, it's not just one port either. It's more like a remote hub.
It's a 4-port USB Type A hub. So at the far end, say a podium in a big room, you can plug in a camera, a touch screen, a thumb drive.
All through that one network cable.
All of it, right back to the PC that's tucked away in a server closet somewhere.
I see it also has a RS-232 support. Yeah. And it's backward compatible with USB 2.0.
That's a clear signal about who this is for. It's for the commercial and industrial crowd. A lot of older control systems still use RS-232.
So it's as at home in a factory as it is in a boardroom.
Pretty much. And for the IT folks, the best part is probably the setup.
Oh, the plug-and-play aspect?
No drivers. None. It's all hardware. You plug in the power on the transmitter side, connect the boxes, and the computer just sees a normal USB hub.
Which means way fewer things that can go wrong right before a big meeting starts.
You're taking the software out of the equation. It just works.
Okay, so we do have to talk about the price. This thing is listed at around $1,850.
It is. And that's because you're not really buying a computer accessory. You're buying a piece of certified infrastructure.
Right. This is for places where failure just isn't an option, like a surgical camera feeding a monitor. You can't have that signal drop.
Absolutely not. And that also explains the TAA compliance you probably saw.
Right, for government contracts.
Yeah, being TAA compliant means it's eligible for U.S. federal procurement. It's a requirement for a lot of secure facilities.
And the reliability numbers seem to back that up. It has an MTBFS, a mean time between failures of 50,000 hours.
50,000. That's almost 6 years of running 2047 before you'd expect a statistical failure.
Wow.
So when you add in the 3-year warranty in the solid metal box, you can see why it's priced that way. It's an install it and forget it kind of deal.
It just enables a much cleaner design, you know. You can lock all the hot, noisy computers away in an IT room.
And the user only sees a clean, silent workspace 100 meters away.
It's a total physical separation of the interface from the actual computer.
Exactly.
Which I guess leaves us with one final thought to chew on. As we build these invisible setups where the PC is a football field away, does that make our data more secure because the physical computer is locked down?
It's a good question.
Or have we just created a new potential problem by sending all that USB data over a long network cable that could, in theory, be tapped into?
That is the question every security architect has to be asking.
Something to think about. Thanks for listening to this deep dive. We'll catch you on the next one.